everyone, we're going to find the Taylor polynomial of order 0, 1, 2, and 3 generated by f at x equal a. And our a is 4, our function is square root of x. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and crank out some derivatives here and evaluate our a at 4. So let's let f of 4, that's going to be x to the power of 1/2. If you evaluate this at x equals 4, this is going to equal 2 because the square root of 4 is 2. All right, now let's take some derivatives. F prime of 4 equals 1/2 times x to the power of -1/2. Now at x equals 4, this is going to equal 1/4. Now our second derivative at 4 is -1/4 times x to the power of -3/2. That's a 3. Let me erase this, sorry. I'm going to have to write this a little bigger. So x -3/2. Okay, at x equals 4, this is going to equal -1 divided by 32. Now, please note, once we get to this one, we have to divide this by 2 factorial when we expand this. So let's just do that now. So if we know that f double prime of 4 is going to be divided by 2 factorial. So this is just going to be equal to -1, and 2 times 32 is 64. All right, now let's do our last one. So we f triple prime of 4, that's going to be 3/8 x to the power -5/2. And at x equals 4, this is going to equal 3 divided by 256. Now again, this one is going to end up being f triple prime of 4 divided by 3 factorial. So basically we're dividing by 6. This is equals 6. So that's going to equal 1 divided by 512. All right, so there's that. Now let's do our orders 0 through 3 and expand this. So we have p sub 0 of x equals 2. All right, because that's what we got. And then that means we're just doing that. That's your order 0. So for 1, that's going to be these two together. So you're going to get 2 plus x minus 4 divided by 4. Now p sub 2 of x, as you copy this down, and then we had a minus, and the numerator is going to be x minus 4 squared, and our denominator was 64. And then our last one, p sub 3 of x, copy all this down. So 2 plus x minus 4 divided by 4 minus x minus 4 squared divided by 64. And then the next one's going to be plus x minus 4 cubed. And this was divided by 512. So there they are. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.